Hey guys, this is Kedler from KedlerAbilot.com. If you haven't heard about Anchor, it is the easiest way to make a podcast. Let me explain. It is free. There's a creation tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Anchor will distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and many more. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. It's everything you need to make a podcast. It's in one place. Download the free Anchor app or go to anchor.fm.com to get started.
Dear friends and compatriots, today I wanted to talk to you about the Haitian flag. What is the Haitian flag? What does it represent? The Haitian flag is a symbol of the struggles and achievement of our ancestors against slavery. It represents the soul of the Haitian nation. This flag was created on May 18, 1803, in the context of the reunification of blacks and mulattoes against the common enemy, who at that time were the French colonists. When reading the history books of Haiti, and especially that of Thomas Madieu, there are three important things that Haitians must remember forever. First, the Haitian flag was born from the French. The father of the Haitian nation just removed the white of the French to form the blue and red of our bicolor. Second, the Haitian flag is the symbol of unity. Negroes and mulattoes to come together to form it. Third, the Haitian flag was designed by a woman, which means that our society was built on the shed blood of men and women who are devoted to the cause of slavery. All this is to tell, dear compatriots, that at the beginning of the 19th century, Haiti accomplished everything on the subject of the emancipation of men and women. My fellow Haitians, may the celebration of our bicolor flag truly be the emblem of our union and the continuity of our values as a people for the best of our country and for the pride of generations to come. Happy Flag Day. Unity is strength. See you soon. Your brother, friend, and mentor, Kedler.